Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nancy. I have something really cute to show you today, but I have to admit that I totally copied this piece by piece from Tiffany at Let's Get Scrappy, but it's so cute I have to show you. So first of all, I have never used Prima papers before, but I saw this collection called The Home Baker, and it is so adorable. It has little mice everywhere. Now, I grew up in the country, and when my daddy retired from the Air Force, he decided he wanted to raise horses. So we always had hay around, lots of hay, big, tall hay bales, and with hay comes mice. So I have never been fond of mice ever because we were always killing them and trapping them and dumping them out. But this collection with these little mice are so cute. I can forgive all those mice growing up just so that I can show you this adorable project with this paper. So this is, I'm going to call it a recipe box because that's what it is to me. So if you'll notice on the cover, I have a cute little piece of the paper cut out and put here, and then some of the ephemera popped up, some of the flowers that came with the collection, and then I also had ordered some baker's charms from Etsy, and I got those. Here's a mixer. This says cookbook. They're just cute. I just think this is adorable. So this opens with the magnet, and here's this. I mean, these mice are adorable. I love the coffee stain look like this. I like to use that on everything if I can find it. So then you open it up like this, and down here you have this cute little mouse and this little thing that says homemade. And then you prop it open like this, and it just stands there. Now, you can put a small piece of ephemera right here to catch it as a notch, but I've noticed that mine really doesn't need that. So up here we have accordion pockets, and they hold recipe cards that came with this collection of papers. It has note cards, recipe cards, journal cards, flowers, like 4 different kinds of flowers, ephemera. It's so clever. So then this right here, I've only glued it along the bottom so that you can put, this is totally Tiffany's idea, not mine. I'm not taking any credit, but you can put your recipe card right here and use it when you're cooking. I love it. It's adorable. So, oh, my puppies are playing. Hear them dropping their bones. So the cards are really cute, front and back. Front and back. You can write on them. You can do anything you want with them. You could even make a photo album out of this and put pictures in it. And I bought so much of this collection, I'm probably going to do that. And I'm probably going to make a few more of these and give as gifts. They would make great Christmas, birthday, friendship gifts, whatever, because look how adorable this is. She is so clever. Tiffany, I really appreciate you and all of your ideas, and I'm going to link to your channel down below in the description of this. So thank you guys for joining me for this little short demonstration of this cute recipe box that Tiffany inspired me to make. And there it is. And then I'll just show you the back. It's just another cute scene. I used the 6x6 papers for this, and it worked perfectly. I did double matte. I like that. I may not double matte next time because it's pretty bulky. But it still works. I put like 3 heavy magnets here to hold this together, just so that it wouldn't be, you know, gaping or anything. It gapes a little bit, but not bad. So I may not double matte the next time. I may single matte. I don't know. I may triple matte. Who knows what I'll do. But either way, it's going to be fun. And there's a lot more different types of flowers that come in the collection too. So you can jazz it up with all kinds of different things. And you could put, you know, well, for example, I have this kind of stuff from Graphic 45. You could put some of these over here. That would be really cute. I mean, you can just decorate and make things as cute as you want. Just draw from your stash. And if you don't have this paper collection, you can make this with any paper collection. It doesn't take that much paper, and it would be really cute for anything. I think that I'm going to try to make one like this a little bit larger and then put cards and envelopes as gifts inside of it. So there's all kinds of things you can do with something like this. I just had never seen anything like it before, and I thought it was amazing. So Tiffany, you inspire me. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.